If Mailchimp is not working for you right now, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few simple fixes that can solve the problem fast. We'll start by checking whether Mailchimp is having a service issue, then we'll clear your browser cache and cookies, try an incognito window or a different browser, and finally reset any integrations that may be causing the issue. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to status.mailchimp.com. This is Mailchimp's official status page, and it's the quickest way to see whether the problem is on their side. Once the page loads, check for any incidents, outages, or degraded performance. If Mailchimp is reporting a service issue, then the problem may not be on your device at all, and in that case, the best move is to wait until their systems are back to normal. If everything looks fine on the status page, then the issue is likely coming from your browser or account setup. The next step is to clear your browser cache and cookies. This is one of the most common fixes when a website stops loading properly, buttons don't respond, or pages keep freezing. On your keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. That opens your browser's Clear Browsing Data menu. In that window, select Cookies and Cache. Be careful not to clear anything you do not want removed, so uncheck the other options if they are selected. Once you have only the cookies and cached files selected, click Delete Data. After that finishes, refresh Mailchimp and sign in again to see if the issue is resolved. If it still is not working, the next thing to try is an incognito window or a different browser. Sometimes extensions, saved sessions, or browser settings can interfere with Mailchimp. To open incognito mode, click the three dots in the top right corner of your browser, then choose New Incognito tab. In that private window, go back to Mailchimp and check whether the site works normally. If it does, then the problem is probably related to your regular browser profile, extensions, or stored data. If Incognito still does not help, switch to another browser entirely, such as Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or Safari, and test Mailchimp there. A different browser can quickly tell you whether the issue is browser specific. Now, if Mailchimp is connected to another tool or website builder like Squarespace or another external integration, that connection may also be the source of the problem. In that case, you'll want to reset the integration. Go to Mailchimp, click on Integrations, and then click Manage. From there, disconnect the integration and then reconnect it again. This refreshes the connection and can fix syncing problems, login issues, or features that are not loading correctly. If your Mailchimp account is linked to an external builder, make sure you also check that platform's connection settings, because sometimes the fix has to be done from both sides. After reconnecting, test Mailchimp again and see if everything is working properly. In most cases, one of these steps will fix the issue. Either the status page will show a service outage, or clearing cookies, switching browsers, or resetting integrations will get things working again. If this video helped you fix Mailchimp not working, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple troubleshooting guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.